Hello guys, in this video we will see how to fix the can't interact with item. But in Ghost of Yotei, visual, audio glitches, we'll cover everything you need to know. Let's get started. Step of verify game integrity. Content begin by verifying the integrity of your Ghost of Tsushima AIM files. This process checks for any corrupted or missing files that might be causing the can't interact with item. But the method for doing this varies depending on your platform's Steam, PlayStation Store, and consult your platform support. Documentation for instructions on how to verify game files. A successful verification may download and replace corrupted files, resolving the interaction issue. Step: update game and drivers. Content: ensure your Ghost of Tsushima AIM is fully updated to the latest version. Outdated game files can often cause glitches and bugs. Check your platform Store, PlayStation Store, Steam, and for available updates. Additionally, update your graphics. Drivers. Outdated or corrupted drivers are a common source of visual and audio glitches, which can manifest as problems interacting with in-game objects. Visit the website of your graphics card manufacturer, NVIDIA, and Intel to download the latest drivers.
Step: restart. The console content. A simple restart can often resolve temporary software glitches. Completely shut down your console or wait for a few minutes and then power it back on. This allows the system to clear its memory and reload all necessary processes, potentially resolving the issue, preventing interaction with items. If you are using up, consider also restarting your modem and router to ensure a stable internet connection. Step: check for conflicting software content. Identify and temporarily disable any conflicting software that may be interfering with Ghost of Tsushima. This includes overlays from streaming software like Discord or OBS background applications that might be demanding resources, and any third-party mods or enhancements. Restart the game after disabling these programs to see if the issue persists. Step: reinstall the game of content as a last resort. Consider reinstalling Ghost of Tsushima. This completely removes all game files and allows for a fresh installation, replacing any potentially corrupted files. Before reinstalling, ensure you have backed up any saved game data to prevent losing progress. After reinstalling, update the game to the latest version before attempting to play.